Viewers, welcome to Tech Travelers Hub. Today I am going to unbox Micropack Speedy Lite mouse. The mouse interface type is 2.4G, transmission distance 8 to 10 meter, button 3D, DPI 1000 DPI resolution, brand Micropack, number of socket 1. I am opening the box right now. Plug and play, yes, available. USB generation 2, connectivity wireless, model MP-716W. The Micropack wireless mouse MP-716W Speedy Lite 2.4G. This is warranty card, I think. User manual, rechargeable battery, the mouse is available in 3 colors in the market: pink, black and light blue. This is black color mouse. This is the back side of the mouse. This is the dongle and the battery. Let's insert the battery. Within the budget, the mouse is really good. I think the price is only 500 to 550 Bangladeshi taka, and it's a good price for a wireless mouse. Hope it will last long. Viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.